Hello everyone, Amanda here. Thank you so much for joining me. I hope you're all doing well today and I hope you're all going to get a chance to do some creativity. So I thought I'd come and share a very different kind of art journaling. So we all know that I create quite pretty things, okay? I like my pretty pastels and my laces and my vintage, and I love collage and I love digitals. Today I'm going to share something totally different with you, okay? And this is some work that my teen has done, Lex. And it's a very different kind of collage, and I thought I'd share it because it just might inspire somebody and also show you how different. It's the same thing, it's art journaling, it's using images, but it's totally different. And it's a really, really fun way of doing an art journal. So this is actually my teen's college book, okay, and she's chosen to do her sketchbook in a collage, a form of collage, and she collects images and collects images from magazines. So most of the work that she does is using images just taken from magazines, okay. So there's going to be some pages that I can't show you because they've got pictures of other people on and obviously it's her college book as well. So for example here, she's done one on body art, so she's collected all images to do with body art, okay. And then this one here is all about Halloween. Let me just lift it up. And so she's collected all pictures on Halloween, and these are very simple. This is a very simple way of collaging, just cutting out the images that are of the same kind of theme and sticking them together, but she's done a title, okay. So you don't need to be massively artistic to be able to do this. As we progress through the book, I've got some more ideas to show you, but this is the very bare basics of a glue book, okay. Anybody can do it. So if you think, oh, I'm not artistic, I can't do it, or I don't like the images that you use, you can totally use what you like, and all you're doing is collecting images that please you, okay. They might not be like these are a bit scary, and making a book. All right, so for example here we've got some straight cut ones, and then she's fussy cut these ones and layered them on, okay. You can see her college work here. You could totally turn it into a journal and leave space for writing, okay. This is just a cheap sketchbook. Oh, no, it's Winsor & Newton, so it will won't have been so cheap, but you know, you can pick them up fairly cheap. You can do this kind of collage work in any kind of book, I do think that spiral bound is better because then your pages lay flat and it makes it easier for you to glue things in, but you can use anything, okay. These are some of her drawings. The next one's got other students in, so I can't show you that. That's got another student in. And then here we've got collage, and she's done flips like that, okay. So that's another idea. So you can incorporate your collage with things that you've drawn. These are hand drawn, okay. Let me just make sure there's no other students on this page. And then this is where it gets really interesting. I love this page. So she's gone for a double spread and she's chosen a colour theme, okay. So this is a really good idea. She's chosen a colour theme. So this is about, I think it's to do with the sea. So this is like a jellyfish themed face. So she's picked all images to go with that theme. And then here she's done her drawing and she's filled in at the side with some hand-drawn things. And then here she's literally gone through magazines and just picked out blue backgrounds, ripped them up and made a collage. And how wonderful does that look? Okay, and then she's gone around the edges with blue to make them stand out. So this is also the kind of thing that you can do, as well as, you know, the kind of thing that I do. It's the same process, but you're picking things that interest you, okay. And collaging is so therapeutic. Lex will sit for hours making these and just with Netflix on or whatever she's doing and just really enjoy it. It is therapeutic. Okay, what else have we got? So this is more to do with hair looks. And this is to do with bugs, and she's picked all tattoos, so she's gone and researched on the internet, picked a load of images up and printed them out. You can find just about anything you're looking for on the internet. And, you know, if it's just for your own personal use, don't worry too much, okay? Don't stress. Nobody else is going to see it, except I'm showing you all this. And then this one here, she's done a flip. And then we've got hand-drawn things. Again, the coloured background. And then here, she's pinched one of my stamps. And she's got a ripped edge there, and she's layered that over the stamping. And it's just really super effective. And the background here is all ripped up green backgrounds that she's found on magazine pages. So you can see that's a bit of shirt, that's a little bit of grass, some more grass here. That's what it looks like, a Christmas tree. So yeah, and then collectively it looks really, really cool. And then this one, what's this one? That one's just hair looks. So there she's filled a full page with an image that just pleases her, and then loads of smaller images of that's pin curls, I think. And then here we've got Kiss. She loves Kiss. And so she's collected images of Kiss, the band, and then she was doing a look based on this face here. Excuse me. So she's hand-drawn the faces, and she's put them on a brad so that they twist, like so. And then the background here is all collage. We've got lips, and then here she's made tiger stripes by ripping up different coloured papers, laying them on top of each other. We've got animal print, so all things that she thinks goes with the theme of Kiss. Okay, so I just thought I'd come and share that with you, because, you know, artwork is totally and utterly in the eye of the beholder. Okay, so lots of people will say, oh, well, I don't know if it's right, I don't know if I'm doing it correctly, I don't know if I'm using the right things. All Lex has done here, literally the only thing she's used is images from magazines or printouts from the internet, and glue, a glue stick. No mediums, everything's all hand-drawn things. So you totally can make fantastic collages in any theme that suits you with very, very little. Okay, very little. And as I say, this is not to everybody's theme or likes, but you can do it to what you like. So pick a page, think of a theme, even if you just start with a colour. And like with the blue one, where's it gone? Like this green one here. She's picked green and just ripped up loads and loads of green things, and it's giving her a background, so it's covering up that blank space, giving her a base to start completing the rest of the page. And I just think it's fabulous. So I just had to share that as an alternative kind of journaling, glue booking, collaging that's totally and utterly different from what I do and what I share. But it's totally and utterly beautiful. This page is my favourite. It just pops. It's beautiful. And the use of all of those painstakingly placed little pieces of ripped up magazine just goes to show what you can do and what you can achieve with very, very little. So I hope that's given you some inspiration. I think it's fantastic, so I had to share. Obviously, she gets her artistic from me. Probably not. She's more artistic than I am, I think. So there you go. So that to me is a glue collage book, a glue book or a collage book. So if you're wondering about the different types, so this is a journal, okay, so you're going to write on it. This is just a collage book or mixed media art journal, because we're specifically doing art, and this is collage work, and it's absolutely stunning, although we've got artwork, so you can call it what you want. I guess the other thing to do is not try and define what it is, whether it's a journal or a glue book or a this or a that or it's mixed media. It's just art, and whatever pleases you, you're going to get great results. So don't be afraid to try different things. You could totally and utterly do this kind of thing with what you've got at home. So maybe this will give you some inspiration. I hope it does, because creativity in whatever form is really good for the soul. I keep saying it, and I will keep on saying it because I believe in it. So I hope that's given you some different kind of inspiration today to what I normally share. Because I love to see different things. I love different things. I love what I do, but I love seeing other things, because you can always take inspiration. I will very rarely watch people that make things like I make, because I'm already inspired, I'm already doing it. So to come and look at something different is going to be more inspirational to me, is what I'm trying to say. So look outside the box, as it were, when you're searching for ideas and inspiration, and look at other genres of creativity, and you will find your inspiration there, as well as your favourite makers like me. Thanks for watching. Have a fantastic day. Take care, and I'll see you in the next video. Bye for now.